How to find phone number in Gmail account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel today. We're going to show you how to find your phone number associated with your Gmail account. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Log into your Gmail account if you haven't already. Once you're in, click on your profile picture or initial in the top right corner, and then select Manage your Google account. In the Google account settings, click on Personal Info from the menu on the left. Scroll down to the Contact Info section. Here you should see Phone. Click on it to view the phone numbers associated with your account. You may need to enter your password or complete a verification step to access this information. Once you've verified your identity, you'll see your phone number listed here. And that's how you find your phone number in your Gmail account. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.